So after Laos, where did you go?
After Laos, I flew to Vietnam. And actually, I took the bus into Vietnam.
Okay.
Yes. And in Vietnam, I traveled from the north, from Hanoi to Ho Chi Minh City. But because my time was so short, I could only spend 1 or 2 days in each city.
What city did you like the most?
I think I prefer Hanoi the most. The food, the street food is amazing. It's a very lively city, lots of motorcycles and traffic. So it reminded me of Nigeria, where I was born, a little bit.
Oh, cool.
Yes.
And what did you do in Vietnam?
I spent time in Hanoi. I also went to visit Sapa, which has a lot of rice terraces. So these are mountains where they've planted rice fields. So the scenery, the view is really beautiful. And you also get to meet the native peoples, the local peoples there. So I enjoyed it. And then from there, I went to Hoi An, which is a very historical city. Very beautiful night scenery by the river. And then I went to Ho Chi Minh City, but I could only spend one night there before leaving for Myanmar.
Okay. And then how was Myanmar? What did you do there?
Myanmar was my last stop, and I didn't have so much time there, but I managed to visit some of the places I really wanted to see, like Yangon, Bagan, and Mandalay. I would say that Bagan was the highlight. They had many temples from the past, and just seeing that many of them, it was very impressive.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Yes.
So, what country was your favorite?
It's hard to say. They each have their own good points, but I think I would definitely like to visit Thailand again.
Oh, okay. Thailand. That's in a great place. Anyway, thanks, Abidemi.
Thank you, Todd.
Abidemi, what did you do for summer break?
For summer break, I went to visit some countries in Asia.
Ooh, what countries?
I visited Thailand, Laos, Vietnam, and Myanmar.
Oh, great. What did you do in each country?
In Thailand, I was there for about a week. I ate a lot of delicious food and I met many nice people. I love Thailand, so I hope to return again.
What foods did you eat?
I don't remember the names, but I just remember that they were all good.
Yeah, Thai food is so good.
Yes.
Did you go anywhere in Thailand, like the beach or the forest?
I was more interested in nature, so I traveled from Bangkok to Chiang Mai and Chiang Rai, and I went trekking and rode elephants. So that was one of the highlights of my trips.
Oh, nice. How long was the trek?
The trek was about a day. It was a trek for 2, 3 hours, but then we also stayed overnight in a community in the hills, and then the next day we trekked for a little bit to come back to the city.
Nice. So, was Thailand the first stop?
Yes, it was my first stop. It was supposed to be the shortest stop, but I loved it so much that I spent more time there.
After Thailand, where did you go?
From Thailand, I moved on by land to Laos.
And what did you do in Laos?
In Laos, I mainly was in the northern part of the country and I went line.
Ooh, fun.
It was fun.
So
So
ziplining is flying from tree to tree.
that's correct. So that was about 2 days worth of zip lining, and we stayed overnight in a big tree house.
Oh, how fun.
It was quite,
Nice.
I really enjoyed it.
Hey Todd, can I ask you a favor?
Sure, anytime.
I really need a place to stay,
Uh-huh.
and I heard that your house is on Airbnb.
It is on Airbnb. I do rent my house, but for you, it's free.
Oh, amazing.
Yeah, of
Can I
course.
stay there then?
You can. How long?
Maybe a week or 2 weeks.
Okay. When?
From next Monday?
Yeah, actually, you can do that. That works.
Excellent. Thank you so much. How about a car? Can I park my car?
That's a problem. You can't park your car because there's no space. But there is a cheap parking lot about maybe 2 blocks away.
Okay.
So it's only a couple dollars a day.
Okay. I guess I can park my car there. How about cooking there? Can I cook?
Of course, yeah, you can cook. I have a stove, a refrigerator. You can bring your own food. You can do whatever you want.
Excellent. Thank you. Can I use the internet?
You can use the internet. There's a password. I will write down the password before I leave, and I will write down the password before you get there.
Excellent. Thank you so much. I was thinking about asking my friend if he can stay. Could my friend stay over?
Yeah, sure. So your friend can stay. Not a problem, I don't think.
He has a dog. Can he bring his dog?
Ooh, that is a problem. Does the dog have a cage?
No, but we can get a cage.
I'm not sure about the dog. If the dog is in a cage, it's okay in the house, but I think, yeah, you can't have the dog in the house.
Okay. How about smoking?
Hmm.
My friend is a very heavy smoker. Can he smoke outside?
Yeah, he can smoke outside. Just please pick up cigarette butts. But, of course, he can't smoke inside.
Okay, he can't smoke inside.
No.
Okay. How about if we want to have a party? Can we have a party?
Yeah, you can have a party. That's okay. But please be quiet. Don't be too loud. The neighbors live very close to my house.
All right, that sounds good. Thanks. And I have one more question.
Uh-huh.
Can I use the washing machine?
Yeah, of course. You can use anything. You can use the washing machine. You can use the internet. You can use the TV. You can use anything you like.
Wow, excellent. That sounds great. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I will write down directions for my house, and I will send you a map, and you can check it out and get all the information. And just I will leave the key for you with my neighbor.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Sure, no problem. So, Meg, are you busy this weekend?
Yes, I'm so busy because I'm moving.
Oh, no.
Yeah, there's a lot of work to do.
What do you have to do?
First, I have to prepare my apartment, so I need to pack all of my things.
That's not fun.
No, it takes a long time.
Do you need help?
Yeah, do you have time to help me?
I can help you on Sunday.
Oh, are you busy on Saturday?
Yeah, on Saturday I have to work. I have to teach 2 classes. And then after I teach, I have to grade papers.
It sounds like you're really busy too.
Yeah. Plus, I have to meet my friends that evening.
Oh, what will you do with your friends?
I'm helping my friend also. My friend has car problems, so I have to take him to the mechanic.
Ah.
But
Sorry, a
on
lot to hear.
Sunday, I can help you.
Okay, that would be great because on Sunday I have to take some trash to the dump and I have to finish some paperwork at City Hall to prepare for moving to a new country.
Oh, now, because you're moving, do you have to go to the post office?
I do have to go to the post office. I almost forgot. At the post office, I have to submit a form to say my new address.
Ah, that's good because I have to go to the post office too.
Oh, really?
I have to send my mom's birthday gift to her.
When is your mom's birthday?
It was 1 month ago.
Ah, so you have to send it quickly.
Yes, I have to get on it.
Okay, well, let's go together.
So I'll see you Sunday. What time should I be here?
I have to go to City Hall by 3 p.m., so can you come at 2?
Okay, but if you want to go to the dump closes at noon, so we have to leave earlier.
Ah, okay. Can you come at 11?
Yes. Okay, so I will see you at 11 o'clock.
Great. See you then.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, Katie,
Yeah.
let's take an international test.
Oh, okay.
How international are you? Let's find out.
Let's find out.
Okay, first, have you ever eaten Greek food?
Greek food. I've eaten, how do you say it, falafel?
Oh, is that Greek?
I think so.
Okay.
I've had that, but apart from that, I've never eaten Greek food.
Okay.
How about you?
Have you I think I have. Well, I've eaten Greek yogurt. Does that count?
That counts.
That counts?
That counts.
Okay. Have you ever eaten Russian food?
What's Russian food?
I think like Russian food, like, is it borscht? Borscht is like a soup, a cabbage soup.
I've never eaten Russian food.
Yeah, maybe I haven't eaten Russian food either. Okay, last one. Have you ever eaten Vietnamese food?
I see it written down. Is it pho?
Pho, the noodles?
Yeah, I've eaten pho before.
Yeah, I've been to Vietnam, so I've eaten Vietnamese food a lot. And pho, the noodles, is really good.
It's delicious.
I've had that too. Okay, now let's talk about languages.
Oh, okay.
Have you ever studied French?
I have. I've studied French for 5 years.
Ooh, can you still speak French?
Nope, not at all.
Yeah, me too. I once studied French years ago, but I haven't spoken French in so long, I can't remember anything.
I can't remember anything either.
Yeah. Have you ever studied an Asian language?
I've studied Japanese.
Ooh, okay.
I can still speak it a little bit now. And I studied a little bit of Korean, but I don't speak Korean.
Oh, really? Okay. Wow, like I've studied Thai
Okay.
because I lived in Thailand for 5 years. And like you, I've studied Japanese, but my Japanese is terrible.
How about your Thai?
My Thai is okay. It's okay. I can talk a little bit. Okay, so have you ever met a Spanish person?
A Spanish person. Actually, I don't think I have.
Really?
I don't think I have met a Spanish person.
Oh, interesting. I've been to Spain, so I've met a few, and we have a Spanish teacher at my school.
Oh, maybe I have met a Spanish person then. Maybe. Maybe I've met a secret Spanish person.
Okay, have you met a Chinese person?
Oh, yes. I've met lots of Chinese people.
Okay. And have you met a Brazilian person?
I feel like if I say no, then I have. Probably. I've probably met a Brazilian person.
Yeah, I've met a few people from Brazil, so they're always very nice, very friendly people.
Hey, Todd. Are you healthy? Do you eat lots of fruits and vegetables?
I guess I am healthy. I do eat lots of fruits and vegetables. But I also eat junk food, sadly. But I try to eat lots of fruits, especially to stay healthy.
What kind of fruits do you like to eat?
Well, I like all fruits. I love all fruits except pineapple. I hate pineapple. I don't know why. I just don't like pineapple. I don't like the taste. I don't like to chew it. It just feels funny. But I love apples. I love bananas. I love oranges. I usually have an apple every morning for breakfast. It's very easy to eat, and I just love apples because you can take them to school. You can eat them quickly. They're very easy to eat. I also like oranges, and I love orange juice. So sometimes I make fresh orange juice in my kitchen. So oranges are great. But my favorite fruits are bananas and strawberries. I love bananas and strawberries, and I love to eat bananas and strawberries together. So my favorite snack is to cut up some banana and then cut up some strawberry and mix them together and then eat them.
Well, it sounds like you really like a lot of fruits.
Oh, yeah, I do.
What about vegetables? Do you eat vegetables every day?
I do. I try to have a salad every day, and I have a special salad I make, and I call it my chunky, crunchy salad. And it's carrots, cucumbers, and tomatoes, and I cut the carrots and cucumbers into small little squares, and then I cut up the tomatoes and I mix them together. And the carrots, tomatoes, and cucumbers mixed together, the colors are really pretty. And when you eat the salad, it's very crunchy and it's very chunky because it's all little squares. So I call it my crunchy, chunky salad.
Oh, that sounds delicious. Do you ever share it with someone else?
No, I don't, but I want to because I like it so much and I can't cook. So when I go to somebody's house and I need to bring food, I think, oh, I should bring chunky, crunchy salad.
That's a good idea. Another idea is to cook some vegetables. Do you cook vegetables?
Not too much. I do cook asparagus. Asparagus is probably my favorite vegetable, and it's very easy to cook because asparagus you just have to cut up into small pieces, and then you can put the asparagus in a bowl with some water in the microwave, and you can cook asparagus in about 30 seconds. So I eat asparagus a lot. Also, I eat broccoli. I love broccoli. Sometimes I have broccoli and lettuce together for my salad. And then sometimes I cook eggplant. I like to cook eggplant because I like the taste and it's easy to cook.
I don't really like eggplant.
Really?
I don't.
Oh, no. Why not?
It has a strange flavor to me, so I prefer not to eat eggplant.
Well, as long as you eat your veggies.
Yes.